Hey beauties. So if you guys are sick and tired of trying to do crafts and that cord keeps getting in the way on your glue gun, then you definitely want to try. This is a cordless glue gun and I absolutely loved working with it. I will insert clips of video where I actually did these two Easter baskets with it. But so it comes with this stand that props it up. It has a stand here, a kickstand here as well. If you don't use that, fits like that. There is an on and off switch here. This is the carrying case that it came with, which is super cool. Comes with a user's guide. It came with its own charger, which you just plug it in here and then plug it into a block to get it charged. I want to say I charged it for about 4 hours and it actually lasted pretty long enough for me to do both of these Easter baskets. I also like that it came with different glue sticks. So they had the clear glue sticks and then they had the glitter glue sticks as well. So if your project calls for some little razzle dazzle, then you have those as well. I would like to thank Aya for reaching out for this sponsorship for me to do a review on their cordless glue gun. I absolutely loved it. I didn't have to worry about tripping over the cord, dropping anything, knocking anything down. I also like the glitter glue sticks. I know Chloe will have something for me to do very soon, and we'll get to use those. We typically do some type of weekend craft, a couple times a month. I will also leave a link down in the bottom because you can actually purchase this off of Amazon. And of course, the shipping is really great. I got mine in 2 days. But if you have any questions, please leave them below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on a later video. Love you, bye. Let me put that in there too.